Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's your girl Krissy Cela here, and it's officially time for
Cooking with Krissy.
That's been a long time coming, I already know you know. But listen, I'm so excited because this YouTube video I know you're absolutely gonna love. If you are someone who is time deprived, someone in a rush, this is the perfect video for you. We're gonna be meal prepping meals under 30 minutes. I'm gonna put the timer on, we're gonna do it together. It's also gonna be affordable, so nothing fancy here, nothing chaotic. We're gonna put the timer on, we're gonna meal prep breakfast and lunch together. I always make dinner fresh, or I tend to like order out. Don't judge me, but I do. I'm only human. But we're gonna do it together. I hope these recipes inspire you, and I hope that inspires you to actually start cooking fresh food at home. Without further ado, let's start. Guys, okay, the pressure's on. Pans are already out. This is already set up. Brett's really hungry. Everyone in this room's really hungry. I've got 30 minutes on the clock. This is what we're gonna make first, just because you actually know if I get actually chaotic, because if I don't win, there's a problem. You already know I'm competitive. We're making two different types of meals. So the first meal is going to be a pan-fried chicken with peas and rice. And then I'm gonna make a really nice avocado tzatziki. I had this when I was in Mykonos and I fell in love, so I'm gonna try and replicate it. Maybe not wise to try and do a new ingredient when you're 30 minutes, but I think I can hack it. And then some greens on the side. And then the second meal that I'm gonna be making, so two different options here, right? We're gonna make a prawn and parmesan penne pasta. And this is one of mine and Brett's favorite things that I make. Super simple, super easy. Prawns, parmesan, lemon juice, some fresh parsley and butter with prawns. And then breakfast, we're gonna make just some overnight oats. That is the simplest meal I can make. It does the job on the tin, carbohydrates, micronutrients, and we're gonna add some fresh fruit on top if I have any frozen berries. Okay, I have an audience here, live audience, so I'd like some support. Okay guys, ready, steady, cook. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is the prawn pasta. So, super easy. We're going to whack the pasta in a pan. So what I do is I always make the carbohydrates first, just because I find it quite easy. So now I'm also going to make the rice, which is just going to be cooking side by the pasta. I think meal prep actually can be so easy when you put your mind to it. I think we just overcomplicate it with so many ingredients, and it doesn't need to be like that. I've always been simple with my cooking, and I think I get that from my mum, just simply because she was always time deprived. She worked 3 jobs when we moved from Albania to England, and she didn't have time to be making all these fancy meals, and she certainly would never allow us to have takeaways. It was out of the books. She was like, listen, we're not spending £20 on pizza, I'll make you your own pizza. That's the kind of mentality she had. And meals are always really efficient, quick, super healthy. And you know, if I didn't have my mum teach me how to cook, I don't think I'd ever know how to cook properly. We're gonna get hot water in a jug. And in that hot water, we're gonna put 1 chicken stock for your seasoning. So remember, the rule of thumb when it comes to rice is 1 cup of the rice, 2 cups of water. Rice always takes about 10 to 12 minutes to make. We're not gonna add the peas yet. We're gonna add the peas once the rice is a little bit softer. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna cut up the chicken. So what I'm gonna do, in order for it to cook quicker, I'm just gonna slice it in half and create these little thin slices of chicken breast. They're all disproportionate, but it is what it is. What we're gonna do is we're gonna get some baking paper, and this is what I do. You put the chicken on the baking paper. As you get another baking paper, spatula of some sort. This is a lot of intensity.
25 minutes.
I fucking lose my shit. I don't know why I agreed to this. I don't know why I thought of this. I'm sick of putting myself through so much pressure. I don't need this. I want to go back to Mykonos and shake my ass on the bar. What you're going to do is let it go really crispy and brown on one side. Then you're going to flip it. And then what you're going to do is add lemon juice, a bit of oregano, a bit of water, and you're just going to let it cook because you want to let it cook through. So what I've done here, I have put the veggies on just with some water. You're going to let that boil through. After that's done, we're going to add a bit of olive oil, salt and lemon. Then tip of the day, if this happens, put a spoon in it, wooden spoon. So the pasta is cooking now. Whilst the pasta is cooking and the chicken's cooking, I'm going to make this avocado tzatziki dip. We're going to take one avocado and we're just going to big slices because we're going to mash it. Spoon it out. Oh yeah, look at that.
Emergency, emergency.
Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Fuck balls. Oh, put the fan on. Oh, Brett. Good, good. Put it in. Boom. Now, as the rice is cooking, we're gonna whack our peas in there. Just getting ready for the pasta. You're gonna add yogurt. Grab the cucumber. Squeeze the water out the cucumber. Oh. She's good. She's chilling in there. Lower the heat a bit. Oh yeah, that looks good. Shit, the prawn pasta. Let's make that here. This is super quick. So, in a pan, you're going to get some olive oil. You're going to whack your prawns in there.
Nine minutes.
No! Oh my god. No. No, no, no. I'm going to do it. I'm going to freaking do it. Right. Whilst I do that, I'm going to do the oats. Protein powder. Ooh, bitch. Just chicken up the god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Big lump of butter. Right, in there. Lemon juice. Parsley. Oats. How quick am I going to do this shit? Hot water. Let it cool. You add the cheese. You add it to the pasta. Oh my god, my stress levels right now are like off the fucking chain.
4 minutes, 4 minutes.
4 minutes?
Yep.
Oh, I've won. I've won in life. Pasta's done, mate. It's done. Yo, don't even judge me. Those look icy.
3 minutes. And we are at 28 minutes and 26 seconds. Can I have a round of applause,
Where the
please?
fuck is my round of applause? mean, you can't go wrong. It's very good.
Molto bene.
Aye. That's good. You'll like that. Okay, so 30 minutes. I made pretty much, I think, that's about 4 meals. 4 to 5 meals. So I made a whopping 2 protein overnight oats, handful of veggies, like a lot of veggies, lots of rice that you can refrigerate and have probably 3 days of rice. Some sauce as well that you can take to work with you because your chicken might get a bit dry, let's be honest. This is the best pasta. This pasta is so quick and easy. I would have loved a bit more prawns because the prawn to pasta ratio ain't right. It's just not right, but it does the job. So, meal prep under 30 minutes. That was a challenge. That was actually a challenge with 1 minute to spare, but we did it. And I'm just gonna show you, like, if I was to plate it up in a container. So I take the rice. One meal, and look how much you have left. You could have made some more chicken, but my pan wasn't big enough and I needed to stay on time. But that's a lot of rice. Then you can have that for dinner. So pretty much in 30 minutes, let's say you cook this on a Sunday, you'd have enough lunch to about Wednesday, pushing it Thursday if you made enough chicken. But then dinner, you have it ready, so you can have the same pasta Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday, because pasta doesn't really go off. And then you just need to make a fresh overnight oat. To be honest with you, the reason I wanted to do this and the reason I put myself under this pressure to do it in 30 minutes is because, number one, 30 minutes is not a lot of time, and you'd end up spending those 30 minutes scrolling unintentionally when you could just make food that you know is wholesome, filling, things you love. Like, I love this pasta. I'm definitely gonna have it this week, you know? And you know what's going inside your body. You know you don't have to stress about it. There's 3 days ahead that you don't need to stress about what you're gonna eat in. And those 30 minutes saves you in the long term so much more time, energy, and money. Like, think about how much money all this ingredients came to about, minus the Doritos I bought and the protein little snacky things I bought, it came to about £45. And I didn't even use half the chicken. Half the chicken's still in the fridge. Split £45, lunch, dinner and breakfast across 3 to 4 days. That's cost, like, saving so much cash. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. I just need a little bit of a chamomile tea because I'm feeling a bit like all over the place after this. But what I'm gonna do is list all the recipes in the description below so you actually know, like, how much rice I use, the chicken recipe, the pasta recipe, so you can screenshot it and have it forever. I hope you found this video useful, and I hope you actually found this video a bit inspiring to get up and cook your own meals and have some fresh food throughout the week. I love you always and forever. I've got these lot to feed. I know they're hungry. I know you're hungry. And yeah, I'm gonna go sit down now because that was a lot. Bye.